Demonstration of using CAS518 with Godiag CAS4 Plus Programming Test Platform to generate CAS4 key. First, use the OBD cable to connect the tablet. Godiag CAS4 Plus Programming Test Platform and CAS4. Then click IMO and Remote BMU. Select from type CAS4. Method 2 OBD. First, click Read Key Data to identify it. After recognizing the key information, click OK. Choose a blank ID to generate a key. Click Have Original Key. Follow the prompts to put the original car key into the Godiag CAS4 Plus Programming Test Platform. Click OK. Follow this prompt to insert the new key. We took away the original car key, then use KM100 to generate a key with a new frequency of 315 Hz. Identify it after generating it. The KM100 shows Not Locked. At this time, we put the generated key into the Godiag CAS4 Plus Programming Test Platform. Click OK. You can see that the key is generated successfully. Click the button on the Godiag CAS4 Plus Programming Test Platform to identify it. The key generated can light up the analog dashboard light. Then we use KM100 to identify the key. It shows locked. It means the key has successfully generated.